Welcome to this exciting review of Master Affiliate Profits, or MAPS. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what makes MAPS such a powerful resource for affiliate marketers, no matter your experience level. Be sure to stick around to the end because I've got an incredible bonus package for you, including my brand new Fast Action bonus, plus a sneak peek at a fantastic landing page builder that comes free with your MAPS membership. Let's start by talking about what Master Affiliate Profits actually is. At its core, MAPS is a simplified affiliate marketing system designed to make your life easier. Instead of juggling multiple offers, tools, and platforms, MAPS gives you one powerful link to promote. Behind the scenes, the system takes care of everything for you: conversions, email marketing, follow-ups, and even upselling, all done seamlessly with your affiliate IDs hard-coded into the system. That means every sale, lead, and commission is automatically tracked back to you without any extra work. It's affiliate marketing made simple and incredibly effective. Now, let's take a look inside the MAPS membership. Once you join, you'll get access to an extensive library of coaching materials covering some of the most important topics in affiliate marketing. Whether you want to master email marketing and list building, create irresistible bonus offers, learn how to make viral bonuses that practically sell themselves, or dive into advanced paid and free traffic methods, MAPS has you covered. You'll also find expert training on improving your conversions, crafting high-converting email sequences, and even creating your own products. On top of that, MAPS includes the incredible My Unfair Advantage live stream series, 34 in-depth sessions packed with actionable advice, strategies, and insider tips, all recorded for you to watch on your schedule. Next, let's talk about Covert Z Tools, the easy-to-use landing page builder included with MAPS. With this tool, you don't need to be a tech wizard. It comes preloaded with hundreds of high-converting lead magnets ready for you to use. Just fill out a few forms, connect your autoresponder, and you're good to go. It's a game changer for anyone looking to quickly and effortlessly grow their email list. Finally, let's talk about my exclusive bonus package, which is only available when you use the link below this video. Here's what you'll get: 10 memberships you can give away to build your list, the 24-hour ranking system, a proven method to rank in Google in just one day, 2 top-tier video courses on affiliate marketing and traffic with full PLR rights, a comprehensive guide to list building, and much more. But here's the cherry on top: my Fast Action bonus. When you join MAPS using my link, I'll personally drive 200 targeted visitors to your landing page to kickstart your success right out of the gate. This is in addition to all the other bonuses I mentioned, making this offer absolutely unbeatable. So, if you're serious about taking your affiliate marketing to the next level, don't miss out.